In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check incognito history in Google Chrome, and I also need to be very clear about what is and isn't possible. A lot of people search for this because they closed an incognito window and now want to see the pages they visited. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser. You'll see the three dots menu. Click on those three dots to open Chrome's main menu. From here, choose New Incognito Window. You can also use this as a quick way to recognize what incognito mode looks like. A dark window will open, and that means you're now browsing in private mode. Now here's the important part. Incognito mode is designed not to save your browsing history in Chrome. That means when you close the incognito window, Chrome does not keep a normal history record of the sites you visited. It also does not keep cookies after the session ends, and those searches will not appear in your regular Chrome history. So if your goal is to fully recover closed incognito history, the reality is that you usually cannot do that directly inside Google Chrome. There is no built-in history page that shows everything you did in incognito after the window is closed. However, if you are still inside the incognito session, you can sometimes see the pages you just visited by checking the open tabs or looking at the address bar history within that session. But once the window is closed, that session data is gone from Chrome itself. If you need to keep track of websites in the future, the best option is to use normal browsing mode instead of incognito. Or save important links manually before closing the window. You can also bookmark pages if you want quick access later. So to summarize, the steps are simple. Open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right and select New Incognito Window. But the key takeaway is that incognito mode is built for privacy, so it does not store a recoverable browsing history in Chrome after you close it. If this video helped clear things up, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful Chrome tips, browser tutorials, and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.